Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Fuki. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so we have another simple problem on the board again. Okay, this is on algebraic fraction. It says simplify 3, okay, as a whole number minus. We have the algebraic fraction, which we have is a as numerator divided by what? A plus 3b. So our solution to this problem 3, we can write this as 3 over 1. Okay, this means 3. So minus what we have a over what? A plus 3b. Okay, now in this problem, we can use the LCM method, but I want to use the cross multiplication method. So this and this is going to multiply. So I'm crossing this way. All right, so I'm going to have 3 is going to multiply a plus 3b. Okay, so we have minus at the middle, and I'm going to use this to multiply this. So we are going this way, okay? So all we have there is 1 times what? A. So 1 times A. So finally, all this is going to divide what? Now we are going to what? Multiply the two denominators, okay? So we have it as 1 multiply A plus what? 3B. So let's simplify this further to see what we are going to get. So 3 is going to multiply a, which I have as 3a, plus, now 3 is also going to multiply 3b, so 3 times 3 is 9, so we have 9b, minus what? We have 1 times a, which is 2a, divided by what? So 1 times all this is 2a plus what? 3b. Okay, so from this step, we can see that something is alike. Okay, so maths, whenever you come across like terms or you want to regroup them. So we have 3a, okay. So what looks alike like 3a? So I'm saying that this and this, okay. You can regroup and keep these two close. So I have 3a minus a plus what? We have 9b. So all this is going to divide. We have a plus what? 3b. Now, 3a minus what? A is going to give me 2a plus we have 9b divided by what? We have a plus what? 3b. So this, okay, gives us the simple solution to this simple problem on simplification of algebraic expressions. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and always share these videos to somebody that needs to improve in that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.